All right, first thing you're going to do is go to Analogue's website, go to support, and then go to 3D. This is where you'll find the latest update, and you just download the file. Your console is supposed to come with an SD card that's already plugged into the back of the console, so make sure that that's there. And you're going to take the power cord that goes into a USB-C, and you're going to plug it into your computer. Just make sure that it's not plugged in with the HDMI. It only needs the power cable that's for the USB-C plugging it into the PC. Once it's plugged in, you're going to hold down the reset button on the right for about 5 seconds, and then you're going to hold the power switch on until the light on the front glows green. And then at that point, you should see a folder appear that has library and settings showing in a root directory for the SD card of your Analogue 3D. All you got to do is take the bin file that you just downloaded from the website and plug it into that folder. Once that's all done transferring, then you just turn the power switch on to shut the console off, and then you're ready to unplug it from the computer. And then you just take it over to your TV that you're going to be using the console with, plug the HDMI in as well as the power cord, and then you're going to turn the console on. You're going to see an orange light glowing on the console instead of a green or white one, because it's going to be running that file that you just downloaded to get the update started. You should see on your TV that it's currently updating, and then once it's finished, there you go. It's all updated. That's all I got to do.